This episode of Adventures Afield is brought to you by Air Force Airguns. Serious airguns for the serious shooter. And these fine sponsors.
Big bunch or not.
There's a line of rams coming down across that hillside. We got some sheep over here, 115 yards away. We're going to get closer and see if the really big ram that we're looking for is in there. So we're kind of out in the open. We've got a little bit of brush in between us. Let's see if we can do it. Well, we got busted. One of the youths spotted us and ran the whole group off. But as they ran off, we didn't see what we were looking for. Let's just go keep looking. We have some really nice mouflon laid up here about 125 yards. I don't know if they spotted us yet. I don't think they have, otherwise they would have ran. Let's see what happens. He's hit. I hit him. He's about 125 yards. I was slightly wobbling. I didn't have a good rest. I think I may have hit him a little bit far back, but it sounded like a good solid hit. Let's give him a minute and we'll see what happens. Alright, this wasn't ideal. What happened was I hit this ram at about, what was it, 125?
Yeah.
125 yards. I guess it wasn't a good hit. The wind was blowing and I was shooting offhand. No excuse. I should have had better rest, but I still hit it. We found it a couple hundred yards up here. It was laying down. We were looking for blood. It had stood up. I hit him again. He ran maybe another 75 yards over here. And these things are very tough. A guide was telling me about how they hit him with, was it 7mm?
7 mag.
7 mag. Twice. Put him down. He looks like he's done. I had to hit him a third time. He was laying up over here. These animals are tough. They got the job done. Alright, it looks like he's done for. Let's go up and touch his eye. If you touch his eye and they blink, that means they're still alive. If they don't blink their eye, they're done. He was hiding right in here. Let's go take a look. Yeah, he's done. Oh, let's see here. He got some pretty good mass on him. Bring him out here. No. Well, this is ram number 2. It's a nice mouflon. Like I said before, these are free range. Puts them in a whole different category. It's a beautiful dark color to it. That's the kind of curl we're looking for. It's got good mass. I'm happy with it. And again, I use the Air Force Texan. Top with a sun optic scope, BHD bullets, 320 grain. Let's look and see if there's an exit wound. I'd say all three of them went through. Even at 125 yards. Went completely through the animal. If you want a good accurate bullet for your Air Force Texan, BHD, BigBoreAirGunAmmo.com. Talk to Seth, tell him I sent you. I hope you enjoyed this 3-part episode of the free-range Mouflon hunt. If you enjoy my videos, hit the subscribe button and make sure you let my sponsors know. My name's Eric Henderson, and remember, it's all about adventure.